abusia enen nsɛm aba abɔnten no efiri ɛyɛ Kpandai Kpandai constituency mino mienu ɛyɛ awo ɛsɛ nsɛm bi ɛkɔ so ɛwɔ ɛyɛ Kpandai ani na ɛfa ɛyɛ election rerun ho na abusia we dem ameka so pɛsɛ ɛkɔ na ekote nsɛm a Supreme Court ɛde aba abɔnten ɛna nsɛm a ɛyɛ Jean Mensah so kyɛsɛ ɔno so atumi ɛde aba abɔnten ɛha so ayɛ bɛɛ media gye abusia yɛntie ne ɛkɔ so emra sisi a bɔmɔde aso bɛ subscribe dia my YouTube channel na abusia wo bɛ share na so bɛ recommend your channel no mafofo a epensem ni bi etie no anya bi etie yinti ne ekoso emra sesia yeda.
Okay, abusuya Kpandai Supreme Court hon sensem no abusuya there is much interesting moment ahead abusuya na asem no kra no me ankasa no mesre papa na America there is much interesting moment ahead abusuya sambeka ya Supreme Court ruling in favor of Matthew Nyandam NPP candidate Kpandai rerun na eba bekoso na achese Supreme Court kwashe sa rerun na eba bekoso no but mama yen customer mind back na bibi babisi sa bibi kro na eba babisi no abusuya ebi mo be sorry ewo ekwan a sa nioma we nyina efa so esi no mama yankɔ ne yankɔ tie time a Supreme Court ruling in favor of Matthew Nyandam ene ne nsɛm a ɔde to da ne ba yɛde de aka ba beto amoso.
God has spoken emphatically that the decision of the Tamale High Court was made without jurisdiction, and so the court has quashed it and is hereby quashed. So Honorable Nyandam still remains the MP of the people of Kpandai. So we call it still maintained.
To thank my lawyers and also use this opportunity to thank the Supreme Court judges for the ruling, because it's clear that the people wanted to change the will of the people of Kpandai, but the Supreme Court has affirmed the will of the people, and I'm most grateful to them. I also want to thank the party from the head to the bottom, that is national, regional, and the constituency, for the support they've given me. And the people of Kpandai, I'm sure that when you are in Kpandai today, you will see the joy of the people.
Now, abusuya Matthew Nyandam ena yete se odesa ensem no etujano na NDC legal team no omo aye very wild. Mo be kaya ye ba be breaking no hard mam say omo a file anase court no achi omo with some crooked gazetted document bi. Ye ba be breaking no hard mam. Na sa crooked gazetted document no abusuya Electoral Commission NPP ama. Mami Jean Mensah na nko for omo betray MPP big time. Omo oche say ono no de ekoso bia no sa gazetted results NPP crooked document no onim ho hwe wa proper nsa ayeden afri ho abusuya enti no Electoral Commissioner NPP ede ne ho ato no so no na waye ajeman na chese ode protect NPP no ohwe ba bia case ne keka kwa abusuya Electoral Commission pull out or chese case na ekoso NPP document omo file ni ade nyina ono no oni mo hwe wa ma ne nsa so enti NPP fo nko na omo nko keka omo nsem yi na utie ensem a lawyer NDC lawyer bedi akon ade to dwa akwatia MP ono na akwatia by elections course no ono na chese owe ne wa akwatia na utie ensem a lawyer bedi akon ka ne loopholes ewo sa NPP crooked document omo file edekọ da Supreme Court abusuya na o say o file case na wankasa o ye lawyer na o file case na wankasa o ya aware say asem affidavit na o file no enye no kre enima perjury abusuya Mommy Uncle na Yonko Kuti and Sama lawyer Bidiako Edibetu and unsubscribe ya subscribe like na share ma afofronso and sa into me and kebi Ghana Politics Avenue. So and don't forget to click on the notification bell so that there any updates be ever dropping on so onsa ebi to me akebi medamase.
Say Oman Fasa adie we ankoda da court na enka Mr. Nyindam Mr. Daniel ipa anka on withdraw the petition. No. When normally call Tamale High Court, the man withdraw the initial petition. He received
on the 6th normal gazette results the way.
Yes, or no chance on the 6th, no more gazette or more gazette on the 6th. And that's all filing the 23rd, and that's all filing in gazette. So on your more so the question now is, sir, a dear way. When a you, this is a photocopy of what they filed in the Tamale High Court. We will not let this rest. They should tell us where they got the electoral commission. So many publishing forms. So yes, so many. But you they should tell us.
This is your name.
And on what I'll say, the second interested party filed an affidavit to which he attached a gazette, the same as Exhibit 11. Exhibit 2. This is Kpandai Npp. When you original no. Na me kire onia ma bi wo hwe eniam omo ye no ho ehun na kro imu ohun eyi Kpandai ni
na hu se Kpandai so
good Kpandai is in hwe number no
8123
good hwade wa ha enya clear papa but wo be hwade
ma me
hwe niye ena dasoro
esoro hin
Kpandai ni
na ono so number na was to hase no mo me twa na ma zooming out to the train abotama edwuma ya no Abba. Oh, you no said them. Ghana Gazette 24 December 8123. Okay.
The access our page, you know, and I'm going to reproduce you. And now, into the the date, we are saying
7 December.
There be 7 December, no year results. But date on the year,
24th December.
Into the ocean, Hannah. And yet, but I say, wait.
Any. 7th, that's all. 7th December.
What am I?
What's that, man? Where lawyer? Oh, I never tell me the way.
Captain, Ren Kofo, we Adia Kofo, we Timian. Now, on the same thing, on me, Wakweti, and two back to Sakweti. You see, you know what happened? After the court ruled, we had filed a criminal way against Yura and Escumi. That's the truth. Say, Ometre baby, Onya, Sa Gazette, you it's back and forth now, Yankopon, a ton suffering. It's unfortunate. But the same thing, and I'm filing what all the cases are, and this is the court, you know. It is the same, the Supreme Court has not even, they don't have the jurisdiction to go in to say, Obi we are Bemo and Obi we are, or more head data there. It is say, when on the court, the other court now, a man, Mr. Daniel, no, I would
say, and true, that's just what the other court, and a document, and also genuine.
For fraud, no. It's fraud and perjury. And both are second-degree felonies. If you are convicted, you can never be an assemblyman ground TV debut because it borders on morality.
And say, "Are they way no? Munjem
Captain, what else? Some week here, and Supreme Court today, or more reasoning never. Young head ABC.
I said, me by me said that they be a minion and come busana. Yamin Chadi and never bay. So the by-election, I don't buy.
No question.
Eti mete Kpandai said by election in Yamba, so I'm saying, I'm going to MP, mommy. How did you feel?
Well, so baby, what's your phobia? Kpandai, yes. Kpandai someone be braina ni akwetia ese papa. In fact, na wie kra was Supreme Court no. Decision na omo base was so kese pa ya akwetia case no. Coincidentally, no, Akwetia case, no, men am ye lead counsel, MNDC candidate Yura Yadomwache. Men am the lawyer for him, Edifi, Kofredia High Court, Akupi Supreme Court. enti minimum nsɛm nie pa na ade de Kpandai nsɛm yi ba ye ya abatoɔ na sɛ captain nsɛm no nipa bi nkyerɛ mu ye
Kpandai issues no
nipa nkyerɛ mu ye onim Kpandai asɛm no ye ma ye wura ɛkɔ file petition no ɛne nsɛm om de kɔ dan high court wɔ Tamale no obɔ ne tɔfa na asɛm no nia ne sɛ yato abawie emra no kan CI na ɛkyerɛ ɛkwan a yɛmfa abatoɔ no nkeka bomu a yɛde be declare results no yɛmfa mfa so ACI 127 no ɛkyerɛ sɛ ɛna sɛ ɔkan election petition course wɔ Ghana Supreme Court 2013 na ɛka sɛ omoma judgment no sɛ wo nsɛm bi fa results ne ho a first and foremost ɛso raise wɔ coalition center na polling station wo raise na sɛ ne course no wani anje ho ana sɛ ne resolve wani anje ho a captain na de atoa so e de akɔ high court but this is what happened how Kpandai no di dwuma ne nia wie na NDC candidate no ɛwɔ issues wɔ polling station over 40 ho enu nti oma prepare say ye coalition center on be raise wo ho na electoral commission ahwe anajo na electoral commission penifo omunim say captain ka studio ha na eba be coalition center because emra no say e define coalition center to be a place electoral commission agia tumza ha na no wa tro de ama candidate ne say ha na be coalition center nti mu ni amunhia yen wo ho anadona na electoral commission for so ma sesa baabi a ye coalition no e de akọ baabi NDC candidate no onim e no mo akọ ye no mkọkọ ye coalition e declare ye say yewra nyindam e na win election NDC fo ni ho tie nie
samom na koye
sasam na ase ania no NDC fo ni ho no mkọkọ declare say ye wie bibia pink sheet ni ye wie declaration sheet ni nti ye wie NDC ni no any ho so ma declare. So now the NDC candidate went to court and no challenges said no. Amongst me won some 40 polling stations, over 40 something. But you see, and some I should have been given an opportunity. A year coalition center. Now me raise you coalition center. They call baby a minim me do obi any and Omako could declare baby. Eti emreni anso near some bo patch emrebia the right to be heard. In any root, if the Bible we say, Unyankopon kran sana obua Adam for no obisa no tie no. It is the right to be heard na a principle a cardinal a law. It is court in a asem no who say no kwasem ne say the right to be heard no was breached. One mat ne kwan na so we issue kra wa raise or no. And a court say on the basis of that declaration we twem. Etino monko ye twa declaration mu a obi anya MPB unti enkoto aba no fofo. Now in the file petition on sometime 23rd no. Now let me say this. Say court time ran on CI ne kase say your gazette results and answer. But you see that is a presumption. Sebe. Obi anu ho ko me ma file petition akọ the highest apex court pen. Obi anu ho court or kura gazette notification say your gazette answer. It's a presumption by a rebuttable. It is a lawyer on the other side now person who raise issue say your gazette here. What said yes be raise aba. Because normally you about by 7 you about by 9 you declare. It is normally electoral commission by achekra by 15-20 before and be Christmas normal gazette results. So Mr. Daniel Eko file, Honorable Daniel Eko file in the petition. Now came, and I have the document here. Now came the MPP candidate who filed processes or no etrimuno or say sa 23rd na Yewra Daniel file a petition sabreno near gazette results intino or filing prematurely into court and wasem into I'm of file sa affidavit de cramming and the car na metro what they and or they call down Tamale High Court. Enti lawyer ne file you on behalf of Mr. Nyindam and of file and at the bar, some lawyer for the which is a lawyer file idea. Then say an official document imagine aka say a fake. Nti ye yehudi say lawyer bi yes sir. Nti ye dey sa na fan. Nti Mr. Daniel lawyers no hu nia yewra nyindam ne lawyer for file say attach an exhibit of a gazette. This is what they found in Tamale. Say ye gazette Kpandai election results on the 6th of January. This is an exhibit. Captain here exhibit JSE3 way in Tamale High Court. This is the exhibitor. This is the official gazette. Omanfa we view. No the photocopy be say no they attach it. This are the records in the Tamale High Court. Eti ye running who no say hey. Say na your gazette results na me file a petition. Oh, yeah, na just a minute. No, withdraw. Ne petition our filing. Because when you 6 ninti now kind affidavit na me kind mun sem bi a and no withdraw ye. Nti withdraw ye no cost start kind 21 days from 6 because you say oh Mr. Nindam a former member of parliament and then a lawyer for ya training on the omun ditro. Nti no na or withdraw ye and no start kind fee on the 6th of January 21 days. No go file a petition after 21 days. One cafe. Ye di assembly ye gina dakem ye bisa. In fact, electoral commission penny no gina dakem ye bisa and say ye then also some collation center and this in. O say na ntokwa bi asi wo ha and I say no senti una so de kire and this okbo mama ne say yes sana de akọ baby foforo ye wantimi enyan. Na judge say no. Ti miam ho ye ni anom ni ho. Mi ntimi nji we ntu. Eti judge no aye bibia wie amotemu bi. One raise issue bia and ye judge na man judgment we. Na a fa election petition a fa parliamentary hono. And can see what court of appeal and Supreme Court.
That's right.
But you see with this one, near quite say who says some quite appeal on lose because facts cause election say man maybe. Because appeal me best share. A dance here mo de bar high court na. So they then decided say no sir. Yanhwe technicality bi ohwa no mo say there be ye krade na ye de call 6 January no kra nya papa na emomu no akwatia case ye ya memedi anim no court no ama this is the ruling of akwatia court na ka e wa ha no me kan ba bi a chew say yen gazette na e wa ha Ghana nia results wo no 24th December na nye 6 January. No more MPP for ye ragari ewo mu bi onu so challenge say ye 6 January no yen ye ka say 24th ma court ajatum afei omo na de 6 ko no ma dane omo ani ese 24th na ye papa etino say no 24th December and a date for gazette nti at the time ye run withdraw ye no sa ko file based on 6 January there no he was out of time esa so omo BT no captain what you say omo BT no say work of filing no after 12 of filing about 31 days because on the after normal kind of 24 for now a year original no more 6 so fine now the Supreme Court looks at it and says on the face of the record no there because of the Akwatia case no maka and say 24th December next of filing out of time that's the majority decision of the 4-1 yenya reasoning no ye twen say on the 6th. But I suppose to say the 4 no echo with the strict interpretation say on the previous way no really no. And now back on the case because you see I disagree with the Supreme Court and they say the court now as we call the Supreme Court only exercise a supervisory jurisdiction and no more ordinary jurisdiction now there be omo supervisory no as a court ketua bia ye bibia etiam rapa en wako into kwa no sa no to be question tie sessional judicial review. Now this is it is a discretionary relief. It is Supreme Court no etna se omo hwe bibia fa asem no ho ansa no ma granted ni o ma ka kire o ma kire wo law school no including o conduct into Captain Smart se sebe ukobokro no de ya de. That's all the best Supreme Court ho. Now what's some more the crap? It's an chrono now boy into your granted relief name. You can't a discretionary relief as you know. So I'm amazed say ufesa and net you file what Tamale High Court in copy on the 6th of January. I'll tell you something. Electoral Commission case na me ye no. Sa pet yi say ye bi the buy. Maybe them challenges say nya no kre. Ye throw letter command Ghana Publishing Company. Ni nia court no in a ruling no court no my decision no American actual. It turned out say Ghana Publishing for nye gazette bia 6 January. Electoral Commission and Kasanso Supreme Court because almost so any gazette bia 6 January. So now the question we keep asking is say na munya 6 January gazette notification ya mo de kwada high court watamal munya ne. And that has been a bone of contention. And it can never happen in this country. See, you baby, na baby ko munya asade we no. Omo de afase ne. Omo no tres NDC for na echinchim obinsa. Sa asem no so person hu asem num no kra. Ye nkodi asem no. Ne course wa battle en fa technicality. But if you decide to use technicality, senya Supreme Court mo de sade we ko dada ye wura no. Na mo withdraw ye. Na fe mu ma de na mo de buy mo adwane afi ho. I've listened to Mr. Nyindam a couple of times. That was media. Ubisa no say oh ho de yatra ho. Ubisa say trade we unya wo here. O say oh yatra ho Supreme Court akasa. Sir, this is a criminal offense.
Hey.
Yes, perjury. You don't when you file an affidavit. This is the affidavit. When you file an affidavit, evidence. You be lawyer be obekacho.
Okay.
It's once you file it, evidence. And perjury nene say so we file it there at the court. Wouldn't say nya papa enya no kre na sa wo de kodan court perjury is a second degree felony. And trust me, this matter is just the beginning. Assuming say
Supreme Court
no because the Supreme Court did not have that jurisdiction. I've heard people talk about fraud in here there isn't Supreme Court area because Supreme Court exercise only a supervisory jurisdiction, and the supervisory jurisdiction either the right to be heard and excess jurisdiction or lack of jurisdiction. And so, of course, you can, and Supreme Court is it's a very, very smart court. You see, because only the apex court. But said there for now. What we need to do, the angle, no, because let me read something to you. They filed a similar one, also from the ruling, also from the High Court upwards to this court. The crux of applicant's case, remained unchanged. It was this that at the time the petition was filed in the High Court on 31st December 2024, the results of the parliamentary election had not been gazetted. They are similar. Okay. The results, according to him, was gazetted on the 6th January 2025. Let's say we are. Omo say it was gazetted on the 6th of January 2025. By law, no valid petition could have been filed. In effect, the petition of 31st December 2024 was incapable of invoking the jurisdiction of the High Court whatsoever. Consequently, all processes filed by the first respondent, the first interested party, and all other rulings he obtained upon the petition in the trial are void. And all catcher or say, or say, this provision is devoid of any ambiguity. A person seeking to, whatever I mean, or say, with the crucial facts established, the applicants, yes, or say, a petition seeking to challenge the results of the parliamentary elections on grounds save an allegation of corrupt or payment of money or other reward on behalf of the one being challenged or his knowledge shall be presented within 21 days. No debate turned on the fact that the first respondent party was challenging the results on grounds that corruption of payment of money or reward was given. The petition presented on 31st December 2024 was within 21 days after the publication of the Gazette 2024. Because now the Supreme Court established to say there was no way papa. Now, the central issue in this case, therefore, was when was the result of the Akwatia parliamentary election gazetted? This could only be a simple question of fact, even though the Gazette notification carried the legal effect. In his affidavit in support, the applicant attached Exhibit D as an extract of Gazette notification. On the extract, the date of the Gazette was stated 6 January 2025. The interested party filed a further supplementary affidavit in opposition on this date and exhibited this. The Electoral Commission, as second defendant, party filed an affidavit to which was attached a gazette, the same as Exhibit 11, filed by the interested party. From the affidavit evidence, finally, before this court, it was established that the gazette notification of number 234, dated 24th December 2024, was the valid one. And when he copied it, we therefore had no difficulty finding that the results of the Akwatia parliamentary elections were gazetted on 24th December and not 6 January 2020. So this is exactly what it is. It is as 6 January because Captain
okay, Abusia, we ne ensema ekoso ewo political highway so NDC lawyer Bediako ono NHS ene Captain Smart etwetwesa nkomona Abusia expose upon expose yede ebrema enye izikra Abusia yebeka mo yebeka chem someone stay tuned on Kpandai insensema ekoso na ha and I be breaking any latest updates be because biano. Now, according to a lawyer Bidiakono, or say week yemu and a Supreme Court ebesan so den honsen bi about to da na yaye crowd say Kpandai sensem no details be a woman biano be breaking or ha ede amama abusia yensa momre beda masa samoje pene kokotiza and some way ede mi aha Ghana Politics Avenue. So and don't forget to click on the notification bell so any updates be ever dropping on once every to me akabi beda masa